Welcome to our short presentation about our project. The project title is Redesign Acoustic Absorbers, and it was a collaboration between the FH St. Pölten and the
FH Wiener Neustadt.
Before we go into detail, I want to show you a short video we created about the project. It's about a minute long, just so you get an idea.
Long night, stranger.
I am a songwriter and music producer, so I was thinking about buying absorbers from the music store, but Theresa had the idea that we could build them ourselves.
Gleichzeitig wollten wir aber auch darauf schauen, dass das Redesign von unserem Schallabsorber mit der Absorptionswirkung von herkömmlichen Produkten mithalten kann.
We focus on upcycling of old textiles like clothes or old towels.
Außerdem achten wir dabei darauf, dass die Rohstoffe, die Werkstoffe aus der Region kommen und keine weiteren Transportwege hinter sich bringen.
Our absorber currently consists of a wooden frame and rolled up towels inside.
Unser Projekt zeigt, dass es auch in der Medienbranche möglich ist, nachhaltig zu denken.
We had a lot of fun, and we hope to work on many more sustainable projects in the future. So most of you probably already know what an acoustic absorber does. For those who don't, I'm just going to explain it with this tennis ball. Imagine this is a particle of air. So when we talk, or like if I hit something, these particles move, and if these particles hit an absorber, this is an acoustic absorber too. If it hits the absorber, then the movement gets slower and it can also completely disappear. So that's what we want in recording studios or in home cinemas. We want to kill all of the echoes and the reverb in a room.
Normally, acoustic absorbers are made out of a kind of foam and are not very eco-friendly. So when he decided to buy absorbers for his studio, we thought about building an absorber on our own and using different materials. And at this time I was doing some research on textile waste, and then we had the idea to use old cloth and old towels for building an absorber. We began with cutting, sewing and gluing the cloth and just tried out how we bring it into a suitable shape. For the stability, we use a wooden frame, and the whole construction holds together without any metal parts. No screws are used. Instead, we use wooden plugs and a self-made glue.
We received quite a lot of positive feedback about the idea, and now we're in contact with different companies that give us old textiles, like old towels, and that's quite cool that we can use it for the project.
We buy our wood from a local carpenter, and also all the other materials are from the region. This is very important for us because we want to reduce transport pollution.
The next steps would be to measure the absorption coefficients of our absorbers. We've built 3 finished ones now, and we've got 10 wooden frames in total, so they're not all done yet. But there's no point in creating an absorber, even if it's ecologically friendly, if it doesn't absorb as good as a professional product. So we're in contact with different universities, and we want to measure this absorption coefficient there are certain standards of how you do that and how you measure that, and that is going to be our next step.
To put it in a nutshell, we want to create an alternative to conventional acoustic absorbers for environmentally aware musicians, sound fanatics, and music producers.
Thank you for your attention. I hope we could interest you in our project. And yeah, if you've got any questions or want to know anything more, you can contact us. There's probably going to be an email or a link or a chat somewhere. You'll find that. So thank you.